We're looking at the starter kit for a bass fisherman. So first we're going to do the bobbers. You got some medium size and some big size. And then you got, those are small. And then you got the jig heads. And then the mini paddle tails. And then you got the white mini paddle tails. And then there's the spoon. That'll catch you some trout. And then you got your weights and hooks. So let's open that up. First, you got the weights. Those are good. And then you got split shots. Those are just weights to just hook onto your line if you need just extra weight. And then you got some hooks. These are circle hooks or G hooks, whatever. Those, yeah. And then you got the smaller ones. And now we're gonna look at my brand new jerk baits. This one is my favorite. This one. It has a somewhat medium rattle. You guys get that? Yeah. It's good, but the rattle is kind of high. So yeah, this is what I got. And then the rat, I just threw the rat in there. I don't know why. So yeah. That is my stuff. Thank you for watching, and go subscribe to 88 Fishing. Have a good night, everybody.